Hello, trading is closed on September 2, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. Didn't have a specific call for yesterday. From yesterday for today, I said I wanted this low to hold. So far it has. I was looking for us to overcome recent highs, and we're going to revisit that in a minute. Let's first look at today's action. There wasn't too much to say for MEJT. Here it gave a buy and an ultimate buy, and that worked. Would have made my life easier if we had a MEJT target for tomorrow, but we don't, so I am forced to rely on other stuff. Well, here's your stilt. Half a diamond's all you need. So I guess the easy call, since futures are up, is to say we're going to have a stilt-like move up and find resistance at the origin of the left stilt. Well, that's one possibility, but I don't think it's the only possibility, and I'm not certain it's even the most likely possibility. First of all, I had a target up here at 2073.99. That was contingent upon us moving straight up from here. We didn't. So I think that one's off the table. We still have this 1867.08 low. It should fall at some time. We're in a very negative position here. It's now possible to count a three-wave move here. It's kind of unusual for ABC to have C equal to 38.2% of A, but I guess nothing's impossible. It's especially not impossible when this high is a Fibonacci target of a prior consolidation. We also had a gap up rally all day. We're unable to break through these highs till right at the end when big money left the table. We also have a close from a wall. We have a wall into the close with a close right at the high of the day. A high percentage of times that leads to a gap down the following day. It's unlikely big money would be unable to break through all day long, but then when liquidity dried up, big money would certainly decide to buy with abandon. Usually that's a sign of weak hands. It's also a rally right into a resistance area. Here's a former TDST line. On the 15-minute chart, we have rallied right up to that line and right up to this prior low. So there's strong resistance here. We have a rally to it, to a price target, and with strong resistance. There are two ways this can resolve. One way is we break through in grand style by gapping up. In that case, I look for us to find resistance at the origin of the left stilt. But in spite of the fact that futures are higher, significantly higher, as I'm recording this, there's a very real chance that we're going to gap down at tomorrow's open. And if we do gap down far enough, a very large drop would be the most likely outcome. So tomorrow's open is going to give us a clue as to what's going to happen for the rest of the day, and that is today's call.